All right, so we have Eric Vega here, and he has his Sony.
Is it just like gaffer tape?
No, it's very expensive electrical tape. It's like fabric based. Eric wanted some flair for his Sony Leica badges and Eric's not suitable for children motto. For Kevin's son Liam, spoiler replacement for his little car. I'll bet the stock one was a little bit thinner, right? It's a little crooked.
It's pretty awesome.
Engraved Justin's phone holder. For Jacob, he's got a broken key here, and we're gonna do shrink tube. Sweet. What was your name again?
I'm Jacob.
Thank you, Jacob.
Thank you, Van.
All right. So, for Chasten, he wanted his jacket customized. And Chasten does hand lettering, so I did a...
Should be the first. Or, I'm sorry, chest without the E.
I did a paintbrush right above his brain, right above his name. Joe built this bike and had a broken belt. Joe works at SpaceX and went to the same high school as one of my old girlfriends. Fixed the belt with baseball glove thread. Lanyard, date, and initials for my friend Stuart, but he wanted a clip bolted on, which I failed to execute, though I gave it a shot. He wanted me to put the clip like this, but I just didn't have the right tools and gear. Ross brought a Swiss Champ. I engraved and painted it. This is Ojas. Ojas had a car in the show. Engraved aluminum pencil holder. Nigel broke this pencil on purpose, which I am not opposed to. And so I just used heat shrink. Frankenstein screws installed by Van Neistat, hand-built show, Austin, Texas, and the date. Didn't get their names, but I threw in some string. So this is Evan's electrician's union dues. He's literally paid his dues. All right, fold in. Let's read the other side. And this is the repair I did to his little dues wallet. It says, "F the man, learn a trade. V Neistat, hand-built show, Austin, Texas, 4/13/24. Thank you guys. Great to meet you.
Is there any way to like attach this on this?
Oh, hell yes.
Like do a base for it?
Yes, definitely. That's right in my wheelhouse.
Yeah.
I broke her foot off, and then I had to glue it, and then I had to do a staple to hold her foot down.
Yeah.
Rick and Natalie. Rick and Natalie were lawyers. All right, Bruno's Cessna lost these, so I made them out of baling wire. These are the stock ones. And then this is the baling wire ones. Fly on, Little Wing. Another Swiss Champ. A girl and her dad, I forgot their names, but she had a great name, and I didn't write it down. Dang it. Removed 8mm film trays to make room for journals. And the girl put me to work. It's a little stash box to hide her drugs and gold bullion.
Thank you.
You're welcome.